not valid or improper license.
Thank you. All right. Good morning. Please state your name for the record, Ms. Perry.
Amia Perry.
Thank you. Having reviewed all of your valid documentation, defense counsel has made a motion to dismiss all of your tickets, which I'm happy to grant at this time. Your tickets are dismissed. Have a great day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
You too. Bye.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Attorney Johnson. How are you?
I'm blessed. How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Excellent. So I have Mr. Parks who has, I believe, some tickets that might be in default.
Okay.
Would like to do a global resolution if I can find out what those are.
Okay. Madam Clerk, can you assist Attorney Johnson with that?
Okay. Oh, he has a number of tickets. Let me double check, make sure, because some of these are old. Maybe they're not.
Within the time frame, sure.
Oh, this one does have more. He has one from 2017, driver's license expired, no insurance, misdemeanor.
2017, that's too old, correct?
And then he has three more, 2017, driver license suspended, no insurance, misdemeanor, fraudulent or false information. And from 2021, driver license suspended, no insurance, misdemeanor, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver.
Does he have, oh, he's still suspended. So yeah, that might be another day, Attorney Johnson. If he's still suspended, he's got, I don't know. You guys figure that out.
Okay. All right, thank you.
Sounds like he needs more time to try to get things together.
How are you doing?
Right,
I don't know if he can with all the tickets that he's got. Okay.
sure.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
Attorney Horn, good morning. Good to see
Good morning,
you.
Your Honor.
Giving you co-host now.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. But on those, if I'm correct, those are probably misdemeanors. They weren't
Yes.
necessarily civil infraction. Okay. All right.
Yeah,
Does
the
he-
civil
Good morning.
infraction, it's from, I don't even know if it's open. It's from 2017.
Okay, so
That's
we can't.
too old.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
But
Oh, yeah,
misdemeanors.
Anyway.
Yeah, the misdemeanors we can work with.
Okay,
Okay, thanks.
thank you.
Okay. Attorney Walling, good morning to you.
What happened? How come I went off?
I don't know.
Good morning, Judge. There we go.
How are you?
Very well, thank you. Yourself?
Good, thanks.
Did you get rid of Perry?
Just did.
Missed it?
We just did it.
Oh, excellent.
Mhm.
Excellent. I do have a question.
Mhm.
I talked to Mr. Thomas. He did 3 days in jail. Is that going to be his debt to society?
I'm happy to do that. When was it? Was it after he got his ticket?
Oh, when that I'm not. Yes, I believe so.
Okay, if it was after he got his tickets, then
Yeah, he was on probation. He got 3, and he was on a tether. He's starting to clear it up now. So
okay. Yeah, we
let
can.
me just. All right. I still may need to speak to Ms. Horn.
What's his name? Which one is that?
That's Mr. Thomas.
Thomas. Okay, thank you.
He's in room 6. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll let you finish working it out with him and Ms. Horn.
We're not quite up on him.
Okay.
Ms. Tuggle's ready, Judge. So
Okay, let me get a couple people checked in.
absolutely.
Mr. Parham, good morning to you. I've got one that just says Zoom user. I need you to unmute and give me a full name, please.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Ryan Maddie Thompson.
Thank you. How do you spell R-Y-A-N?
No, ma'am. It's RIANNE.
R-I-A. Okay, I love that name.
Thank you.
Last name is Thompson?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank
And then
you.
I've got a phone number ending in 7542. What is your name, please?
My name is Natija Powell. I actually don't have a court date today. The last time I seen you was on the 22nd. And I just had a question because I wasn't able to reach anyone on the courtroom phone number that I was given by the lawyer. But I was basically my motion.
Hold on one
was
second, Ms.
approved for
Powell.
me to.
Hold on one second. Let me get these two folks into breakout rooms and then I can work with you.
Okay.
Okay. Mr. Parham and Ms. Thompson, you're both going to go into breakout rooms.
Thank you.
Mr. Parham, you're going to room
Thank
16.
you.
Please hit join. And then Ryan Thompson, excuse me. Ryan Thompson, you are going to go to room 4.
Okay, thank you.
Go ahead and hit join, please. All right, Madam Clerk, I'm going to address Ms. Powell in just a moment, but they are ready on Derek Tolbert. I think I may need to give you co-host because you got logged out. Let me know if I do.
I have co-host.
Okay, great. Derek Tolbert, I'm bringing out. That file will be ready. And then Katrina Tuggle is ready. If you would call the Tuggle matter, we'll get her bench trial date to her. And then we will move to, I'll address Ms. Powell, but we need to get Tuggle done, please.
Okay. Katrina Lenise Tuggle, SP 1857588, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive, and SP 1457253, counts 1, 2, and 3, allowing unlicensed to drive unregistered, untitled vehicle, no insurance misdemeanor.
Thank you. Ms. Tuggle, please unmute, turn on your camera, and state your name for the record.
Katrina Tuggle.
Thank you. All right, we're going to get you a bench trial date. I assume that's because you're going to try to get some things together.
Yes.
All right. Madam Clerk, what's our next bench trial date?
June 18th at 9:30.
All right. June 18th, Zoom back in at 9:30 a.m.
Okay.
All right, we'll see you then.
Thank you.
Okay. All right, Ms. Powell, *6 to unmute, please. Then Mr. Tolbert, I'll get to you.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes. All right, now go ahead, Ms. Powell. What's your question?
Your Honor, the last time I seen you, it was on the 22nd, and the lawyer gave me the number to the courtroom to be able to try to reach someone because I have not received any paperwork or any instructions on where to pick up my firearm from.
Did we did a
And I
motion
think-
hearing in your case?
Yes, ma'am.
And were you represented by Attorney Carpenter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I've asked him to get me an order, so I need an order to sign so that I
Okay.
can give it to you and you can take it down to the station to retrieve your firearm.
Okay, thank you so
Okay,
much.
yeah, I told him, I reminded him yesterday that I just need an order, so hopefully I'll have it within the next couple days and I'll get it in your hands, okay?
Okay, thank you so much. Have a great one.
You're welcome, you too, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Madam Clerk,
Yes.
Aaron Thomas tells me he has a pending disorderly conduct. June 11th. Is that true?
He is my client.
Oh, he's your client.
Okay, I was just
Okay.
getting ready to ask you, who are you
Robert-
here on? Thank you. Who are you here on?
Good morning. I'm here on Trenton Matthew Penn for trial today.
Okay, great. All right, you probably don't have an offer, but Ms. Horn is here with us at the moment, so that's good. But we do need to know if he's got another matter that's open, Madam Clerk, so if you could assist with that.
And Aaron Thomas is your client?
Yes.
You
Oh,
wanna Say
okay.
hi to him. He's in room 10.
Yeah. Well,
Well,
yes.
hold on, because you're also here on Trenton Penn, so you have two with me today?
No, I didn't know Mr. Thomas was up today in front of you. I have him on another matter in front of Judge Williams, I believe it is. That we've
Oh,
already
that
had.
could be a completely different person, given the commonality of the name.
Oh,
though,
you
too.
know, that's a very good point. Certainly probably is, Your Honor. I can.
Okay.
It's a double A and middle name Ravon. Does that ring any bells, sir?
Grab the file very quickly. Well, it's Aaron Thomas, and it does say it's in front of Your Honor. And it's set for June 11th at 9:15.
Yeah, any Aaron Thomas that gets a traffic ticket is going to be in front of me. So,
Oh, okay.
okay, so because I get all the Thomases. So
I see.
I don't know if you don't have a middle name, I don't think there's any reason to presume it's the same person, quite
Well,
frankly.
except that my client told me about the June 11th date.
Oh, okay, well then, there we go then.
Go
Okay.
in and say hi, will you, Sam?
Maybe you'll
Sure.
recognize him. Yeah.
And see what
Okay.
he wants to do, whether you can resolve it or want to add it to get the.
So are you appearing on his 3 charges that he has, Mr. Walling?
He has 2 charges today. Suspended license and a speeding.
That's
So
what
if-
I have, and disorderly conduct.
Okay,
Okay.
so something's going on where we need to, because we got 2 of those out of the 3 up today. He says he has the disorderly conduct in the future. It's definitely the same person. So Attorney Ragnan should be handling all of them.
I agree. Thank you.
Okay, so I'm fine, Attorney Ragnan, if you go in and just tell him we'll push them all to June 11th, since
All
that's
right.
what you were prepared to do. I don't mind that, but yeah, if you would go check in with him, just let him know.
I will do it now. Thank you, Your
He's in
Honor.
room
Thank,
10. Sam.
thank you, Mr. Walling.
My
Okay,
pleasure.
thanks all. All right, you should have co-host. Mr. Penn is not here yet, Attorney Ragnan. But Ms. Horn is, and she'll go to room 2 to see you. Okay, Mr. Parker Bell, good morning.
Good morning.
Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No,
Okay, I need to get you into a breakout room so you can do that before I hear your matter. Were you in a breakout room already?
yes,
Okay, so why are you out?
I got disconnected.
Well, you didn't get disconnected because you're not back in the main session. So somehow you brought yourself back out here. I'm saying that because there's a line and you were number 11. I'm now up to number 17. So you need to try to get yourself back to your place in line. Hopefully you haven't been skipped yet.
I don't know how to do
I can't do it for your device. So the only choice I have is to put you in the last place in line if that's what you want me to do.
that.
It's very important that you wait patiently in those breakout rooms. Figured it out. There we go. All right, we really do need to get to Mr. Tolbert. So Ms. Horn, what can I do for you?
I'm just here. I was gonna check out and come back in. But Mr. Ragnan, did you need to speak with me about your case?
I would be happy to speak with you. Yes.
Okay. All right. I'll meet you in room 2. And then after that, Judge, I'm just gonna go check in the other one.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. I noticed that we
And-
don't have a lot of trials and formal
Yeah,
hearings. So.
yeah.
All right.
Your
Okay.
Honor, Mr. Thomas is all set then. We'll move those to June 11th. He
Yeah,
said
we
that.
can move all of his. Madam Clerk,
All right.
did you hear that on Aaron Thomas? We'll move everything to the June 11 date.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much. Your
All
Honor.
right, and then I'll let you talk to Ms. Horn about Mr. Penn. Madam Clerk, whenever you're ready to please call the Derek Tolbert matter.
Okay, for Derek Jason Tolbert, SP 1897933, count 1, driver's license never acquired, and all other misdemeanor matters scheduled for today's docket, arraignment on a bench warrant.
Thank you, Mr. Tolbert. We need you to get unmuted, sir. Try *6, Mr. Tolbert. We need to get you unmuted so we can get your plea on the record.
Yeah.
There we go. All right, state your name, please, Mr. Tolbert.
Derek Jason Tolbert.
All right, thank you. All right, I have 1 count of failure to display, 1 count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, 1 count of open alcohol passenger, and then Madam Clerk, I've got a 3-month delay. What does that match up to, please?
Just a second.
Okay, I'm gonna pull it as well.
1, violation of marijuana ordinance.
All right, thank you. All right, Mr. Tolbert, does all of that sound right to you?
Yes.
Are you driving? I'm getting way too much noise.
No, that's the I stay downtown, and I'm by the race.
Okay. Did anyone
stay right-
promise?
I
Did
stay-
anyone promise you anything I haven't heard about to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have
Yes,
those
you
rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location on the failure to display, please?
Okay, for the open alcohol passenger and the failure to display, those are the same tickets. January 26, 2026, 33rd Street and Horatio, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver's license never acquired.
Thank you. Mr. Tolbert, is it true at the date and location just stated by Madam Clerk, you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Is it also true that you possessed open alcohol in the passenger area of a vehicle that was operating on a public roadway?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right. Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location on the allowing?
Okay, for the allowing and the marijuana, same ticket, SP 1813657 1 and 2, October 16, 2025, Central and John Cronk, drive-while license not valid, improper transportation of usable marijuana.
Thank you. Sir, is it true that on the date and location just stated by Madam Clerk, you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle, even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. And then is it true that you were transporting improperly an amount of usable marijuana at that time within arm's reach in the vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. All right, I'm going to give you your fines. Listen closely. You'll be able to also see them on the court's website by tomorrow. On your failure to display, that's 190. On your open alcohol, that's 100. On your marijuana, that's 190. On your allowing, that's 100. So 2 fines, 190, 2 fines of 100. 90 days to do one of 2 things to keep your deal in place, Mr. Tolbert. You must pay these in full or see a cashier on the first floor for a longer term payment plan, and give them the down payment to begin the payment plan. On the marijuana ticket, you must have that one paid in full in 90 days in the amount of $190. 90 days, sir. Got it?
Okay.
Because that one's going to get pulled off your record in 90 days, as long as you don't get a similar ticket and you get it paid. If something happens where you don't get it completely paid or you pick up another ticket, Madam Clerk, what is our 90-day date, please?
August 27 at 8:30.
You'll come back and see me August 27th at 8:30 a.m. if you need to, if something goes wrong with the delayed sentence, okay?
Okay.
Have a good day, sir.
All right. Thank you.
Your Honor, I'm gonna, I've talked to Ms. Horn. Police aren't there yet. I'm gonna go check in someplace else and come
That's
back.
fine. Okay, sounds good. Thanks for checking in here. Appreciate you. Okay, bye. I got a couple of folks to get into breakout rooms. Jeremiah's iPhone, please unmute. I need a full name, please. Jeremiah's iPhone, please unmute. Give me a full name.
Jeremiah Lewis Phillip Taylor.
Okay. Is Philip Taylor your last name, or is Taylor just your last name?
This Taylor, I got 2 middle names.
Gotcha. Okay, thank you. I need the attorneys to be able to find you on the docket. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No.
Okay, that's okay. I'm going to get you into a breakout room so you can do that before I hear your matter. They'll be with you shortly. Please join room 17. They're going to be ready next on Darius Parks, Madam Clerk. I'm going to bring Darius Parks out. Mr. Parks, good morning. Go ahead and unmute, turn your camera on, and we'll get your matter called. Good morning, Mr. Parks.
Good morning.
All right, looks like you're going to be pleading guilty. Well, Madam Clerk, would you call the matters, please? You can just call one and all related.
For Darius Edward Parks, SP 1868781, count 1, drive while license suspended, scheduled for show cause, and all other matters that are in warrant status.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Parks, please state your name for the record.
Darius Parks.
Thank you. There's been a motion by defense counsel to set aside your warrant so that those cases can be dealt with today as well. I'm going to go ahead and set aside any and all warrants. Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display. And then all that was from what's on today. And then from your warrant tickets, it's going to be 1 count of failure to display, 1 count of improper plates, and then everything else is going to be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You can put your hand down. Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location for the failure to display, which will come from the tickets that were originally scheduled for today?
April 17, 2026, East Otter Drive in Mount Elliott.
Sir, is it true that you were operating a vehicle at that date and location in the city of Detroit and you could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Now I need a failure to display an improper plate from the warrant tickets, please, Madam Clerk.
Okay, for SP 1201517, counts 1 and 2, May 19, 2021, St. Mary's and 7 Mile, drive while license suspended and no insurance misdemeanor.
All right. Mr. Parks, is it true that at that date and location just stated by Madam Clerk that you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
And is it also true that you did not have proper plates on the vehicle at that time due to a lack of lack of insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Okay, please listen closely to your fines. On your first failure to display, that's 190, okay? On your second failure to display, it's 190, and the improper plates is 100. So 2 fines of 190, 2 fines, 1 fine of 100. Everything else is being dismissed. So you did a great job taking care of all these Detroit tickets today. Congratulations.
So that's all I have to pay?
Yes. And so here's how you keep this from coming back, though, and those dismissed tickets from coming back. Within the next 90 days, I need you to do one of 2 things. Pay this all off in full, or at least give the cashiers a down payment to start on a longer term payment plan. Okay. Now, I will caution you, this is all you have to pay. This is all you have to pay on your misdemeanors. You have some old civil infractions that went into what's called default, and they have fines attached to them. So when you go see the I can't touch them because they're too old and they're not misdemeanors. Okay. When you go see the cashiers, they're going to see those numbers too, and they're going to get included in your payment plan. So if you know you're going to want a long-term payment plan, go see the cashier soon so you know how much you have to give them down within the next 90 days. Got it?
Do you know how many tickets that is?
I don't. I can't see them all, but they can. Like if you come see them tomorrow, today, whatever, they can give you a printout and you'll be able to see all of those. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Have a good day, Mr. Parks.
You too.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Kiara Patterson, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
This morning. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
Yes.
Okay. And do you know who that attorney was?
I can't pronounce his name, but I could spell it for you.
Okay, that sounds great.
1 second. It would be Allan, last name Saroki.
Attorney Soroki. Very good. All right. He will be here shortly. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to go ahead and get you into a breakout room to wait for him. I'm going to put you in room 5.
Okay.
Okay. Go ahead and hit join for me. Thank you. Madam Clerk?
Yes.
Can you get a message to Soroki? Let him know that he has 2 clients waiting and city attorney is in our courtroom right now where he can catch her.
Yes.
if he needs to. Thank you. Ms. Patterson, you should see an invite to room 5. You just hit join. You should end up there.
I don't see it.
All right, I'm gonna have to try to move you again. Please watch your device.
Okay.
What's Tylia Turner here on room 9? Can you see, Madam Clerk?
Yeah, just a second.
Okay. I think you sent me a docket sheet too, so that's good. I can.
Drive while license suspended and failed to yield right away.
Oh, she needs an offer on her fail to yield. Is there an offer? Let's see.
Yes, to blockading traffic, and it has failure to display, but her
Yeah, but she's
license.
valid. Okay, I'm gonna bring her out.
Let's see.
I was just making sure you saw the note that she's valid, so the license is a dismissal. I was making sure you saw our note.
Okay, I did, yes.
Okay, thanks.
That was the only time. Okay.
No, she's got a blockade. They're offering a blockading on failure to yield the right of way. Blockading is the offer.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
All right, thank you.
Mhm. Ms. Turner, can you hear me?
Hi, yes, good morning.
Good morning. Did you get to speak with Attorney Johnson about your matter?
No, I did not.
Okay, so let me just catch you up. So for you, you've got 2 counts. You've got a failure to display and a failure to yield right away. We've confirmed that your license is valid with the Secretary of State, so that takes care of your misdemeanor license charge. That'll get dismissed.
Okay.
And then you have a failure to yield right of way, which would normally carry points. The city is offering you blockading traffic, which is about as good as it gets in traffic court. It's a fine of $175, but it's no points and it doesn't report out to your insurance.
Okay. When was that ticket? If you could look back at it.
Madam Clerk, could you check the failure to yield right away for Ms. Turner and see if we can get a date and location on that?
April 14, 2026, Mitchell and Remington.
Do you remember getting it in April of 2026 that you would have gotten the ticket?
Yes, I paid that ticket.
Are you showing, hold on one second. It may be that you posted a bond. Let me see. Just give me a second.
Okay.
Give me just a second. Attorney Soroki, good morning.
Good morning, Judge. How are you doing?
I'm good. I told her to get you while we had Tamika with us if you needed her. Your
Yes.
clients are in room 3 and 4. FYI, room 4 was here first.
Okay. Thank you very much. All right, I'll talk to Tamika right away and get
Okay.
the offers.
Oh, we might have left. We might have lost her. Shoot. So if you need us to look at the offers for you, give us a moment. We'll try to do that.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Let me take a look at, Madam Clerk, would you take a look for Ms. Turner? Make sure that's still showing as open on her failure to yield right away while I look at the offer sheet for Attorney Soroki.
Yes, they're still open.
Okay. And are you showing any kind of bond posted or anything?
No, these are new tickets. This is all that's in here.
Okay, thank you. One moment, ma'am. Just a minute. Well, let's see. Ms. Horn sent me something titled offers, but there is nothing attached to it. There we go. All right. Madam Clerk, would you please forward the offers to, I don't have Attorney Soroki's email in my, it's not popping up for me.
Okay.
I just want to forward him the offer sheet that Tamika sent this morning.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. All right.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Go ahead, Attorney Walling.
Madam Clerk, could you send me the ticket on LaShawn Tatum, please?
Okay.
Thank you.
A blockading traffic for Ms. Turner was paid May 14, 2026. It was issued February 2nd, 2026.
Gotcha. Okay, so Ms. Turner. They're saying that you got another ticket in February of 2026 that you then got reduced to a blockading and paid, but this is for the ticket you got in April. These are tickets you got in April of 2026.
Yes, I literally remember paying that newest ticket too. I paid 2 tickets, like both of them.
She paid a blockading traffic ticket. The improper display of plate was dismissed. And the no proof of insurance was dismissed, but she just has to pay the $25 fee. That's all I show paid
Okay.
and closed.
How did you pay it, Ms. Turner?
I paid online. I think for one of them, no, I think actually both of them I paid online, if I'm not mistaken.
Did you? Okay, so I don't really know unless you can give us a receipt or something like that. If you want to try to find it, we can set another date for you to come back.
Let me see.
Because right now we're showing that you have 2 open tickets from April. Mr. Thomas, I see you waiting. Give me just a moment. I'll get right to you.
Yes, ma'am.
2 open ones? I don't know.
Yes, you have the license ticket open. And you remember you're sending the offers to Attorney Soroki, Madam Clerk?
Yes, I sent them.
Okay, thank you. Says she sent them, Soroki. Your clients are in 3 and 4. So,
Your Honor, there's no offers for either defendant.
oh, okay. Well,
Thank
then
you.
you need Ms. Horn. Okay. She's left us again.
I think she probably wants to go to trial. That's probably
Okay.
that's the message.
Okay, well, I'll let you talk to your clients and figure
Thank
that out. Okay. All right, Ms. Turner. So I'm trying to figure out your issues.
Okay.
Yep. So, I mean, if you've got a receipt to show, but we have a record showing what you paid. And if you paid them online, they should be accounted for. I mean, I'm not saying mistakes can't happen. But it can get confusing sometimes because with traffic tickets, you can end up in one of 3 places. You can end up at pre-hearing, where you're really dealing with an officer. You can end up at an informal hearing where you're before the magistrates, or you can end up at a formal hearing when you're before a judge, me. And so these things can get confusing about when you went to court on what and when you paid what. Because some of them you may resolve earlier before you get to me. I'm usually the 3rd option, at least the 2nd option for most people. Okay. So let's try to figure this out. I need to get the Douglas Thomas matter called. So let me deal with that and then I will get to you. Okay. All right, Douglas Thomas, calling ticket number SP13978962 and SP17377283. Both of these are City versus Douglas Thomas. Mr. Thomas, please state your name for the record.
Douglas K. Thomas III.
Thank you. Both of these tickets are for not having insurance. Defense counsel has now reviewed your valid insurance documents and made a motion to dismiss your tickets on that basis, which I am happy to grant. Both of your tickets are dismissed. Have a great weekend, Mr. Thomas.
You too.
All right, thank you. Madam Clerk, Douglas Thomas, dismissals as to both counts.
Okay.
Thank you.
I can leave now?
You can. Have a good weekend. Yeah, so Ms. Turner, that's all I can say is that if you want to set a hearing where you can bring receipts and, we can print out what the cashiers still have in our system and we can try to compare them. But I have a feeling that something just kind of got shuffled in a way because, can you turn your camera on, please? I feel like I'm talking to outer space. I don't know who I'm talking to.
Oh, yes, I'm sorry.
Okay, thank you. That's okay. So, that's kind of where we are because we're still showing 2 open matters for us today. We can see that you've had other tickets that you've paid in the past, but these 2 are still open and ended up before me.
Okay.
Like I said, you have 1 for driver's license, 1 for failure to yield the right of way. the driver's license, your license is valid, that gets dismissed. The failure to yield right of way, they're offering to reduce to the blockading, which is good since you just got one of those. Sometimes they won't give you another one, but they're offering to reduce that one to the blockading, so that it's 0 points and no reporting to the insurance. But certainly if you feel like you've already paid it, I understand
For
that.
I'm sorry to cut you off. For the right of way, was that for the yellow, like the light incident? Because I did have like a red light, yellow light incident. Is that one?
Well, that ticket would usually be written up as a failure to not yield right away. It would be a failure to stop at a red or yellow light. That's not the way it's written up. It's written up as a failure to yield right away to someone.
It says, fail to yield right away or interfere with traffic,
Okay.
but there's nothing in the notes.
Okay.
Okay, I don't even know what that is. I've only gotten stopped once for the yellow light, red light incident, and then I guess the other one in February, but I don't know what this one is at all.
So when you say the red or yellow light incident, was that in April of 26?
Yes.
Okay.
And that,
Go ahead.
yep. What'd you say?
No, go ahead. I wanted to hear what
Yeah.
you had to say.
Yes, that was the yellow light, red light incident, which I paid that one, and then the one from the past one, I paid that one as well. So the right away, I don't know what that is all about at all. Like that's like something new that I'm hearing now.
Okay. Let me think through then. A failure to yield right away, April of 2026. You remember being ticketed in April 2026?
Yes, for yellow light, red light incident.
Okay. But you believe you paid that already?
Yes.
And Madam Clerk, we're seeing that you paid a blockading from a February ticket. Do you remember getting ticketed in February?
Not really, but
okay.
If I did, I just know.
Can I? Okay. So the original charge for the ticket, February 2nd, 2026 at 8 Mile and Van Dyke was disregard red signal. You appeared at a pre-hearing and the fine was reduced, the charge was reduced to blockading traffic, $175. That was April 14th, 2026, the same date that these other tickets were issued.
Okay.
So you support in for the February tickets, and on that same date, 2 more tickets were issued. The payment for that blockading traffic ticket was paid May 14th, 2026.
So are these payments loading from basically the same ticket?
No. What she's saying is you got tickets in February. You went to a pre-hearing. Remember I said there can be 3 different ways these get resolved?
Mm-hmm.
You went to a pre-hearing on your February ticket where they offered you blockading traffic instead of the red or yellow light ticket. You took that and you paid it.
Mm-hmm.
Apparently that same day, you got these other tickets.
Oh no, like I got pulled over again?
Yes.
Oh no, definitely not.
Okay. All right. So then the best thing maybe to do then is set them for trial where the officer will have to prove that that was you and that these were your tickets, that you can set them for a formal hearing where that's what they'll have to do. Would you like to do that?
I guess, yeah, I'll do that because this is crazy.
Okay. So what I'm going to do so that normally these would stay tied together because they'd be set for trial, but given the confusion, I'm not going to penalize you on the license ticket. So I'll dismiss your license ticket. We'll set the other one for formal hearing, and then they'll have to come and basically prove that it was you that got the ticket. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So give me just a moment to do that. All right.
Okay.
Attorney Johnson.
Yes, Vicente Perez, I believe he has other additional tickets, just whenever available, if I can get some assistance
Okay.
with what they are.
All right. Thank you. All right. Let's get, Madam Clerk, let's tie up Ms. Turner and then we'll assist Mr. Johnson, if you don't mind. We'll call her matters. We'll dismiss the license ticket and we'll set the failure to yield ticket for formal hearing on an identity issue.
Okay, SP 1892821 counts 1 and 2, for Talia Giselle Turner. Drive while license suspended and fail to yield right of way or interfere with traffic.
Oh, wait. Well, I'm so sorry. Can I ask for the car? Was it the Aveo?
It has a 2007 Chevy Gray.
Oh, okay. I know exactly what that is. Okay, that was my mom got pulled over that day in my car. Okay, so I know what that is now. I'm so sorry.
All right, thank you. So you believe that this was issued to the wrong individual?
Yes, I
Okay.
know now
All
because
right,
I
thank
was
you.
so
Ms. Turner, stop. Let's keep the record clean. State your name for the record, please.
Talia Turner.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Turner, you've got 2 counts in front of me, one having to do with your driver's license, the other a failure to yield civil infraction. All right. On the license ticket, I'm going to go ahead and dismiss that one because your license is valid. Okay, so that we're not dealing with that. On the other ticket, you believe that one to be your mom. We're going to set that for a formal hearing.
Okay.
What I will try to do is make a note to the city attorney as to what we think happened, and because what's going to probably happen if they may charge your mom and then see if she can get the same offer. Okay.
Right.
But we'll set this matter for a formal hearing. Can we get a date for that, Madam Clerk?
June 18th. We can do 8:30 or 9:30. I don't.
Let's do 8:30. So June 18th, 8:30 a.m. Ms. Turner, I need you to log back in here for a formal hearing.
Okay.
If it wasn't you, it'll get dismissed that day, okay?
Okay. June
Okay.
18th at 8:30.
Yeah, we'll see you then.
Okay. Thank you so much and have a
You're
great
welcome.
day.
Okay, you too. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Okay, that was complicated. All right.
Yeah, I never had a chance to speak with her. She didn't come out of the.
Yeah, I had a hard time getting her attention too. And it sounded like an easy resolution because it was blockading, but then the identity issue came up, so we needed to try to deal with that. Okay, now you wanted to know about Mr. Is it Perez?
Yeah, Vicente Perez, yes.
Vicente Perez, okay. If you could help Attorney Johnson, Madam Clerk, I'm going to go get Mr. Pope to come on out here. I've been trying to get him out.
Okay. For Vicente Perez, he has 2 matters in default. He has a fail to stop for a stop sign and tinted windows. And on that same ticket, he has the misdemeanor that's in warrant status, improper transportation of usable marijuana.
Okay, so the misdemeanor on the marijuana, and
Yes.
then failed to stop at stop sign.
Yes.
And what was the other one?
Tinted windows.
Tinted windows. And all of those are
The 2 civil infractions are in default, the
okay,
marijuana
misdemeanors. Okay.
warrant status, yeah.
Okay. And the default, they're available, they're within the time frame.
Yes, they were November 2025.
All right, thank you.
All right, I'm going to call the Pope Kendricks matter, Madam Clerk, calling SP 189-28991, 992, and 993. No insurance, 21 to 25 over, and excessive noise. Mr. Pope Kendricks, please state your name for the record.
Eric Pope Kendricks, how are you?
I'm good. Somebody was enjoying themselves on the road. All right.
No, I really was. Okay, yes.
Okay. Okay. It sounded the way they were all running together. It sounded like a fun summer day.
Yeah, I get it.
All right. So anyway, they're offering to reduce your 21 to 25 down to 6 to 10 so that you're not getting the 4 points that would go to the 21 to 25. Does still give you a couple points. So you'll need to make sure that you're going slow, speed limit in the future. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. This is just a civil infraction, so it's not a full guilty plea. Just raise your right hand. Swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. And you are then admitting, Madam Clerk, do we have a date and location as to Mr. Pope Kendricks?
April 3rd, 2026, Gratiot and Flanders.
All right, you're admitting to going at least 6 miles per hour over the posted speed limit at that date and location in the city of Detroit, Mr. Pope Kendricks?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. That one is going to be 135. 60 days, okay, 60 days to pay the 135 or to get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. Be aware that if you're going to start a payment plan, they're going to want a down payment, and you may have old civil infractions that have money attached to them. So, okay, you need to just get all that straightened out sooner rather than later if you know you're going to want a long-term payment plan, just so you know all the full universe of the cost.
I'm gonna just pay it.
Okay, so 135 within the next 60 days keeps your deal in place, and the deal for today is that your other the 2 misdemeanors that were attached to you from that day are both getting dismissed, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I appreciate it.
All right, have a great day. Good weekend, Mr. Pope Kendricks.
Do the same.
All right, bye-bye, thanks. All right, I got Robert Parham. Good morning, Mr. Parham.
Good morning, Your Honor.
We're going to get you the phone number to Democracy, Street Democracy, which is an amazing program. So I always love it when somebody's getting started there.
Thank you very much for the referral and for the assistance.
Sure, let's get you the phone number. Madam Clerk, whenever you're ready, would you give Mr. Parham the number to Street Democracy, please?
Okay, are you ready, Mr. Parham?
Yes, I am.
It's 313-355-4460.
I will reach out and contact them today for housing and employment and
wonderful. Yeah,
any
they're
assistance that
really
they
good
have.
to work with. They give you a lot of help. I'm going to set a 90-day review date for you. However, just be aware you may not need to come in the 90 days. You should check with them first, because they'll just come and represent you and ask me for another date if you're still working through the program, okay?
I really appreciate your referral and your assistance.
Of course. All right, Madam Clerk, what's our 90-day date is August 27th. So August 27th at 8:35 a.m. But again, don't come to court. Don't Zoom in without talking to them, because they may not need you to come to court that day.
Understood.
All right. Call them a couple times if you have to, but they will answer, and they're really great to work with. They work really hard, and I think they even help resolve out county stuff now. So if you have stuff.
Amazing.
Okay.
Thank you.
You are very
I'm going to
welcome.
reach out to them right now.
Okay. Have a great weekend, Mr. Parham.
Have a fantastic weekend. Thank you.
Bye-bye. How you doing, Madam Clerk? I feel like we were kind of zooming through multiple things at the same time. You okay over there?
Yeah, I'm okay. Just a little tired, but I'm okay. I'm
Okay.
glad it's Friday.
Yeah. Does Mr. Walling have the Tatum ticket? I know he was asking for a copy.
Yes, it's no insurance misdemeanor and passing on the right. There are things in the notes. Do you want me to send it to?
The courtroom hearing primarily focused on resolving traffic violations, misdemeanor offenses, warrant-related cases, and payment arrangements in a virtual Detroit traffic court session. Throughout the proceedings, the judge reviewed multiple defendants' cases, dismissed charges where valid documentation was provided, and worked closely with attorneys to negotiate fair resolutions. Some defendants, such as Amia Perry and Douglas Thomas, had their cases dismissed after proving compliance with legal requirements like valid insurance or documentation. Others, including Derek Tolbert and Darius Parks, pleaded guilty to selected traffic-related offenses such as failure to display a license, open alcohol in a vehicle, improper plates, or marijuana transportation, while several older or less serious charges were dismissed in exchange. The court carefully explained fines, payment plans, and deadlines to avoid further legal consequences. One of the more complex matters involved Tia Turner, whose case raised confusion about previously paid tickets and whether her mother had actually been driving her car during the alleged violation. As a result, the judge dismissed one charge and scheduled a formal hearing to determine responsibility fairly. In addition to legal enforcement, the hearing also reflected a rehabilitative approach, with the judge referring one defendant to a community support program for housing and employment assistance. Overall, the session demonstrated how traffic court balances accountability, procedural fairness, reduced penalties, and rehabilitation while managing numerous cases efficiently through a virtual courtroom system.